Hey, this is a 1-year update on a military man that has a pretty short haircut that had a low yield hair transplant in another state. And this is what he looked like after his hair transplant someplace else. And that's not much hair.
Yeah.
And so despite him being in the military, we did a strip case on him and packed the front of his head. And his issues is he got real dark hair and light skin, and then he did a good job cleaning, and now he's a year out, and I think he just retired from the military, and he did this video. Okay, Steve, you're 10 and a half months out from us doing a strip case on you with like 2,400 grafts, and you'd had a low yield FUE someplace else. I'll have your before pictures up to the side of you now. So over the past 10 and a half months, and you're in the you were just retired from the military. Yes. How's this been? Any troubles?
No troubles at all. It slowly started growing back, and no complications, and pretty satisfied with the results.
Good. And it's only going to be better because you're at 10 and a half months.
Right.
And the bell curve says that the final results usually around 13. And maybe you're a little ahead, a little behind. I don't know. Spin around and face the wall one time. And so if you look carefully, this is a pretty short haircut. Where's my scar? Pretty good. So the numbness came back, or the sensation came back.
Yes.
All right. Any was I up front with you? Did I tell you any kind of nonsense? Or?
No, nothing. Everything you said was true. Everything I expected.
Okay, great. So he looks good,
Yeah, he's happy. He was even happy like when he got 6 months when he came. Yeah. And
he's got a good scar that is concealed by his short haircut, even though he doesn't need to be in the military. Doesn't need a military haircut anymore. And I know we'll be doing a second case, just like we planned to begin with. It'll be his third case, but our second case. So we'll start behind his first case and work south and add a few hundred hairs to his hairline.
Yeah, that's what he came for.
And I think he's just looking at what day we're going to do that. So we'll have another update on it. But so if you've had a less than successful hair transplant someplace else, it doesn't mean that all options are off the table. Give us a call and we'll see what we can do for you. Thanks.